Resume, sections for a reverse chronological document. Here are 6 must-have sections on your resume. 1. Header. This section will have your name and contact information, including your phone, email, LinkedIn profile URL, city and province of residence, as well as any other relevant links such as a personal website. 2. Summary of qualifications. This is an introduction to how you are uniquely qualified for the position of interest. Watch our 7 facts about the summary of qualifications to learn more. 3. Education and certificates. This is where you list the degree and certification that is currently in process or completed. Under each, you have the option of including your cumulative grade point average, relevant coursework, and minors. 4. Work experience. This paid and work-integrated learning opportunities through school, such as placements, internships, and co-op work terms under this section. 5. Volunteer experience. Add anything you did on a voluntary basis. This can include your involvement with student groups and nonprofit organizations. Now, for both the work and volunteer experience sections, depending on the application and your experiences, it might make more sense to organize your information under certain themes such as clinical experience, research experience, policy experience, and etc. From there, have 2 other sections called additional work experience and additional volunteer experience, where anything not related to the position of interest would be considered. 6. Academic experience. Share individual or group projects, essays, and assignments. If you want to learn how to format your bullet points under your work, volunteer, and academic experiences, watch our Resume Accomplishment Statements video. Now that you know the must-haves, here are some optional sections depending on your experiences as well as the application. 1. Technical skills. If you are in a very technical field, you can consider presenting the information, including programming languages, tools, and operating systems in this section. Otherwise, list it in your summary of qualification. Extracurricular involvement. Do you participate in any recreational activities or something related to art? Think about experiences where you displayed your transferable skills. For example, participation in intramural sports could show leadership and teamwork. Awards. If you receive an entrance scholarship or won an award for best team player in your workplace, you can consider adding it to this section. Memberships and affiliations. Are you a student member of a professional association that represents your profession? For example, the Canadian Institute of Public Health Inspectors, SciFi? Did you just pass an examination that qualifies you to call yourself a regulated title such as registered nurse or public health investigator? If you said yes to any of the above, enter this information. Professional developments. Add any relevant webinars, LinkedIn Learning, Coursera courses you completed. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our career educators.